Robert, what have you got? What's in your hand? What's that? Bubbles? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Want to see something crazy?
Yeah.
Ready? Look. Look at that! That's nearly as big as you are, Robert. Look at that. It's enormous. Your daddy got you that. Look at that. Yours is real little. And that one's huge. Are you going to blow a lot of bubbles? Robert, no standing. Look at how huge it is. Let's blow some bubbles. Yay. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Are you happy? Oh, screw the old bubbles? Is that what you're saying, Robert? Oh, boy. Can you say thank you, Daddy? Can you say thanks, Daddy? No? Not now? That's right. It is a bubble time.